Hello students, today I am going to start fifth poem, that is The Ball. In this poem, the poet John Berryman described the reality of life, which everyone has to face one day. Through this poem, the poet explained that how to stand up against the mental distress and sorrows of life. Okay, so now come to the main part of this poem. So the poet is talking about a little boy who has lost his ball. He was playing with his ball. The ball skipped from his hand and went into the water body. The poet says that the sight of the boy losing his favorite ball made him think about the boy and his reaction to this situation. The poet further says that the boy who was helpless looking into the water where his ball had gone. He was sad and trembling with fear. He kept standing near the water bodies for a very long time and kept on looking for his ball. The poet says that he could console him that he may get new balls, or he could also give him some money to buy another ball. But he stops himself from doing so because he thinks that the money may bring a new ball but will not bring the memories and feelings attached to the lost ball. The poet further says that the time has come for the boy to learn his responsibilities and learn toughest lesson of life, that is, one day we have to lose the one we love, so we should accept this reality. Okay, so now we come with the end of explanation of this poem. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you.